Maqele was exposing Makhumalo that Makhumalo she has a child. Maqele can't say those words without Musamseleku's permission. Musamseleku was the one who told Maqele that tomorrow I will bring cameras and you have to say 1, 2, 3 about Makhumalo. And Maqele do exactly what Musamseleku said to her. That's why Musamseleku didn't say many things. He said, I didn't know that Makhumalo, she is a child, what. He doesn't care about Maqele, what she said on cameras. It's not a problem to him because Maqele knows how to say in front of her husband. Musamseleku was the one that you have to expose Makhumalo, that Makhumalo, she is a child, what. Maybe people, they have to know the truth about Makhumalo. All the time I was quiet, what. Now Makhumalo want to expose me because at that time they were coming from therapy. Makhumalo says what she want to say in front of those therapists. And now Musamseleku didn't say a word because when Musamseleku says a word that Makhumalo, she is a child, what, people, they start saying many things about Musamseleku. And now it's Maqele who says those words. Maqele can't say words without Musamseleku's permission. We know that because Maqele have respect through Musamseleku's wives. She can't say those things to expose Makhumalo on cameras when Musamseleku says you have to expose Makhumalo about the child. So sometimes, guys, those people, they are together. Maqele and Musamseleku. Maqele and Musamseleku are the team. They start to discuss the issue before they bring on the table, even before they bring on television. Maqele and Musamseleku, they plan about those wives, and those wives, they know Mayeni, Mangwawe, Makhumalo. They know that Musamseleku and Maqele, they can gossip about them. It's Musamseleku's. I don't understand why he is doing those things, that he wants to gossip about another wife with another woman, or to plan to expose Makhumalo with Maqele. I don't understand. It means that Musamseleku is Makhumalo's enemy, what I saw. And he doesn't want to fix things with Makhumalo, but he can't come in public and say, I don't want Makhumalo anymore, because people, they can say what they want to say. You know, social media, they can say Musamseleku jump Makhumalo because Makhumalo can't have kids. But in his heart, Musamseleku, he is no longer in love with Makhumalo. But he can't say it on television. Maqele knows that. Maqele knows that Musamseleku doesn't love Makhumalo. You remember Maqele was saying on season 7 why Musamseleku doesn't give her or a pressure to go to attend umembezo wakamakhumalo, because Maqele says you don't love her. Maqele always say those words to Musamseleku, that you don't love Makhumalo. Maqele knows the truth. That's why she doesn't care about Makhumalo. It's like maybe Makhumalo is the one who is forcing herself on that marriage. But that man, he is no longer interested on Makhumalo anymore. That's why Musamseleku, when it comes to Makhumalo, he can plan to expose Makhumalo with Maqele. Why he can't expose Mayeni or to expose Mangwabe? He knows that he loves them. He doesn't want to hurt them. But when it comes to Makhumalo, when Makhumalo, she is being hurt, Musamseleku doesn't care. Maqele doesn't care. He knows that. And they plan it because those people, they sleep together. After the therapy, they go together and sleep together. Maqele was saying those words about Makhumalo's child. They were on their bedroom. And the cameras, because when you can prepare yourself, you prepare and call the cameras. It's not about it happens for a mistake or what. And prepare the cameras, because Musamseleku, maybe Maqele was trying to say those words behind the cameras. Musamseleku says, I have to call the cameras and say those words about Makhumalo, what. People to know the real Makhumalo, because Makhumalo, she has a child, and I don't know that Makhumalo has a child. But social media didn't take it serious that Makhumalo is a child. Musamseleku doesn't know that idea child. social media doesn't take serious about Makumalo because they love Makumalo so much. They see the wrong side of Musamseleku only.